Hello, Omo, we'll keep the energy going. We'll keep the energy going regardless. You understand? Because this evening, I want to give you guys the best. I want to give you guys the best. So we'll keep the energy going regardless. We'll keep the energy going. You understand? We'll keep the energy going. Please, if as you are joining this particular live, if you can hear me now, let me see number one on the chart. You understand? We'll keep the energy. If you can hear me now, let me see number one on the chart. Please, please don't be angry. It's my network, like it's my mic. The mic is the mic that is trying to like bring down the energy. But if you can hear me now, please let me see number one on the chart so that we can fire on. So that we can fire. I just want to like give you guys a real top-down analysis and answer you guys tonight. You understand? Okay. Oh, thank God. See you, this girl. You, this girl, you are always active. I really appreciate, my dear. I really, really appreciate your effort. Siva, I for just dive into what happens, but there's no time for us anymore. Let's just dive into the video so that we'll do it. You understand? Let me even turn my cap so that you guys will feel the vibe. So please, if you can hear me now, let me see number one. As Miss Richard has dropped number one, I need number one for more people also. I need number one for more people so that I'll know that yes, the mic is working now perfectly. You know, this is the third time I'm coming to this particular live because of the mic. The first one, it's work, it stop at the way, like it stop at the middle. The second one, it's not even working at all. Then the third one, I need to like make research, what's happening because I want to give you guys give you guys the best today. You understand? Let's analyze the market. Let's break down the analysis today. You understand? So please let me see number one from you guys again. Let me see number one from you guys. Let me see number one from you guys. Let me see number one from you guys. So, Miss Richard, I think you are hearing me. Then let's fire on. If you can still hear me, let me see number one again from you, please, so that I just go straight to the chat. Then let me know exactly what you want me to talk about. Let me and you discuss. Then we'll be waiting for other people to drop their comments, then to drop their questions. And let me see number one from you if you can still hear me. Let me see number one from you because Kai, what just happened? It's really trying to like seize the energy in me, but I say no, it's not gonna happen. It's not gonna happen. It's not gonna happen. You get it? So if you can still hear me, let me see number one. Let me see number one. Let me see number one. If you can still hear me, let me see number one. If you can still hear me, let me see number one. All right, that is very great. That's very great. I'm so happy now. Even if I have just only you now, I'm satisfied. All right, so just prepare your question. If even aside from trading, if there is any gist you want us to gist, let me know. Drop it on the comments. I'm here for you guys. I'm here this night for you guys. So let me show you guys the trade I will take on GBP USD and Euro USD and how I call out the this thing, how I call out the signal and it played the way I predict it. And you know, nobody's 100% correct on the chart. You understand? There is no way you will not have loss, but let your win be more than your loss. That's just it. Then you are good to go. You understand? That's just it. Then you are good to go. I'll go to the screen now. Then I'll show you guys from there. After I show you guys, I'll take a screenshot of it. Then I'll delete everything. Then do a fresh top-down analysis. Then I'll be waiting for a question from you guys. You understand? Then I'll be waiting for a question from you guys. Why my head even scratch me? I don't know. Is it because of this cap? I beg, stay one place. I beg. All right. So this is the analysis, and the reason why I'm just like saying this analysis is because of how clean and perfect it worked out. You understand? Everybody, all the people who participate on this in today Lotto section analysis, they benefit a lot from this particular video. You understand? And there are a lot of testimonies. I'm posting it on my WhatsApp. You understand? But you guys who are not on my WhatsApp will not see it. That's just the thing. There are a lot of testimony, people who are appreciating and the rest because of how accurate the signal is. You understand? But that's not. Let's see, like, brush through it. Then we'll go directly to what brings us here this night. So this is the analysis I do last Friday. I said the market will come to this particular area before we see an end pattern, then the market will go to the downside. And this is where the end pattern form. You understand? This is where the end pattern form, and the market open with gap. Okay, merely I see the market open with gap. The market creates, this is what they call inducement. You understand? If you don't know what inducement is, this particular thing here, this particular thing that the market do here, this is what they call inducement in the market. The market come very close to the main support level and trying to reverse to the upside, of which is not supposed to be like that. Do you know what the market is trying to do at this area? It's trying to gather, like, tell people, like, make sure people enter the market, buy from this particular area, to thinking the market is going up to fill the gap. You understand? Then it go up a bit, come down, clear them out. You understand? Everybody that will buy from here, their stop loss will be around this particular area. The market clear them out, tap on the main support level before we see this sharp move to the upside. This is what the market do all the time. It will, like, try to gather a liquidity before the market reach a resistance or a support level. It will try create an inducement. You understand? Then after creating that inducement, it will go up a bit. Then the next thing you see is a spike to the downside, maybe a long wick to the downside, go below that particular consolidation, that is inducement, go below that particular consolidation, then stop people out, then boom, it will go directly to the upside. So if you know what market structure is, you need to, like, you're supposed to know what I'm talking about. And if you know what I'm talking about already, let me see number one on the charts. Or just respond, let me hear you. 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 And please be preparing for your questions. I want questions from you guys. I think people that are left here will be like around that kind 5 to 6, but now we are just 3. You understand? We are just 3, but I still value you guys more than any other thing. I still value you guys more than any other thing. If there is anything at all, and Miss Richard, Richard, please, if you are like, I don't know the level you are in this forex market, but if they just tell me the level you are, or if you want to chat me privately, carry my number from my description on YouTube. You understand? Then chat me, tell me the level you are presently on forex, in the forex industry. If you are now a professional forex trader, let me know. If you are still struggling with one or two things, let me know, because you're turning up the way you are consistent. It's giving me more joy, because female, they don't have, like, let me just say 99.9% of female don't have interest in trading, but you are, like, very, very consistent, and I like that. You understand? I like that. So where do we stop? I will DM you later? Okay. Yeah, I'll be waiting for your reply, man. I'll be waiting for you, and I'll be glad. So the market creates inducement here, break below the inducement, that this particular support level, tap on the main support level before we see this spike to the upside. That is when I call out this particular trader they should enter for a buy. So let's go to Euro USD. Let's see what Euro USD give us. Let's see what Euro USD give us. Let's see what Euro USD give us. So this is Euro USD. As you can see, from what you are seeing here, And the pattern that I always show, like share with you guys, the pattern, if you can be able to stick to like study this particular pattern, you will be very, very great, you understand, in trading. What are you seeing here? This is a clean 1 to 2, you understand, 1 to 2.2 safe is a clean 1 to 2.2, because the way the market is moving from this particular support level to the upside, I say it will take a longer time for Euro USD to like cover this particular gap, you understand. So I say let's target just 1 to 2, you understand. 1 to 2 is enough. That's what I told them. 1 to 2 is enough. So what you see, we'll see this particular move from here. I told them by that time, before we like me, I entered that particular trade from this particular engulfing candle, you understand. Then I entered the trade before the live video. Then after the like immediately as I come on the live video, I told them that they should enter a buy on GBP, USD and Euro USD, you understand, because I know that the market have given me what I always look for on the market. The market give me a W pattern. The bullish engulfing candle from the support level is more like more stronger and more healthy, you understand, than bearish candle, you get. So I told them that they should enter, you understand. And how much are we risking? How many people are we risking? We are risking just 20 people, you understand. On the chart we are risking 20 people. And how many people do we get? We get 49 people, 49 complete people from the trade. So that's all for now. I'm going to clear all the chart now, you understand. I'm going to clear everything that I did on the chart, then we'll do a fresh analysis. Then let's see what we'll be expecting from the market tomorrow, you understand. That's the main thing now. Taking a screenshot of this. All right, so I'm going to wipe everything here. I'm going to wipe everything here. As you can see, the chart now is very, very clean. The chart now is very, 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 very clean. So please help me like the video so that YouTube will recommend it to more people, you understand. Like the video so that YouTube will recommend it to more people. Like we for don't plenty pass like this, but because of the up and down, because of that mic, that my voice that you guys are not hearing, that's the problem, you understand. So but it's still what it is. I still value you guys who are still with me, you understand. I value you guys who are still with me. So first of all, let me analyze Euro USD, you understand. Since if you come on your chart, the first thing you need to do is go to the higher time frame, which is daily time frame. Know what daily time frame, know how the like today candlestick close, know how it's going to close. If you know how today candlestick is close, then you switch down to your lower time frame, which is 4-hour time frame, you understand. Then mark a support and a resistance level from the 4-hour time frame. If you mark a support and a resistance level from the 4-hour time frame, then you wait for the market to come to that support or a resistance level. Then you like just like this particular pattern that I always preach about, this W pattern with an engulfing candle. If you wait for the market to come, like if the market come to that particular support level, wait patiently. Don't just jump on the trade, you understand. Wait patiently for the market to give you a clean W pattern. Then just watch closely if there is a bullish engulfing candle, you understand. I don't know if you guys are hearing me. Let me check if you guys are hearing me. All right, means you guys are hearing me. So you wait for the market to come to the main support level that you mark from 4-hour time frame, you understand. Let me be doing it so that you guys will be following it. Okay, as you can see here, what exactly the market do today, and what exactly are you seeing? See, this particular candlestick yesterday, I told them while we are doing a top-down analysis yesterday, preparing for this week, I told them that this candlestick is not looking healthy to me, you understand, that they should expect the market to come down again, to this main support level, and that is where we take our buy from this morning. You understand? I told them that they should wait for the market to come and tap on this particular main support level before we see any push to the upside. And what you see, the market come down to this support level, then we'll enter for a buy, and it give us what we want. You understand? So what exactly are you seeing? If this particular candlestick close, there's a candlestick they call hammer. If this particular candlestick, if the body that the market close with is like this, then because in less than 50 minutes now, today candlestick will close. You understand? In less than 15 minutes from now, today candlestick will close. If the candlestick close hammer, then you switch to lower time frame. Means what we'll be expecting from tomorrow till maybe the end of the week will be more of uptrend. You understand? Because of this hammer and this bullish engulfing candle. The reason why the market still have the audacity to break to the downside is because of this particular candlestick, because it's not looking healthy. And I told them yesterday Sunday, that this particular candlestick did not look healthy. So the market is still going to break to the downside before we see another push to the upside. So now go to the higher time frame, lower time frame, which is 4-hour time frame. This particular strategy, this particular analysis I'm doing for you guys is the way I do my own analysis. You guys should tell me anything you want me to say. You understand? Then I'll be responding to you guys. You get? But if you like the way I'm doing it like this, then just listen very, very careful, because I'm not going to sugarcoat anything. I'm going to tell you how it's what it is. You get? I'm going to I still want to get this my cap. I don't know why I like wearing this cap. Is it because it carry my logo? All right, so I'll go to the lower time frame, then which is 4-hour time frame. Then mark a support and a resistance level out on the 4-hour time frame. You get? So this is it. This is it. Okay. Here is the support level. This is the one I marked from the daily time frame. Don't forget. Then I'm going to mark a resistance level out. Here is the resistance level. This is the next resistance level. Then here again is the next resistance level. On the 4-hour time frame, then the last but not the least is this particular area. If you are following what I'm saying, please let me see number 1 on the chart. If you are listening and you are following what I'm saying, let me see number 1 on the chart, then I'll continue. If you are listening and you are following what I'm saying, let me see number 1 on the chart. I can see my audio now is very okay. My audio is okay now. You guys are hearing me. I'll DM you later. Okay. The audio is okay. If you are hearing me, let me see number 1 on the chart. Please let me see number 1 on the chart. Let it not let it not look as if I'm talking to myself. I want you guys to be getting value from this particular live video. You understand? I want you guys to be getting value from this particular live video. So if you are hearing me, let me see number 1 on the chart. If you are hearing me, let me see number 1 on the chart. I'll be waiting for you guys. 3, 2, 1. 3, 2, 1. I'll be waiting for you guys. Number 1. Oh. Nice one. Go. Next one, girl. You are listening. See, you are a champ. You are a champion. So let me go ahead. Even if I have only you, I don't give a damn for you are. You what stay with you, teaching you life. You understand? Teaching you what you need. Yeah, you want it. Even if I have only you, I will not mind. So this is it. You mark your support and the resistance level. This is a support, this is a resistance, and you mark it out. Then what exactly are you going to do if you mark it out like this? You go to a 50 minute like this. If I mark it out like this, what I'll do, I'll go to 15-minute time frame, because 15-minute time frame is the time frame that I take action. You understand? That I used to take my take action from. So I'll go to the 15-minute time frame. I'll be waiting for the market to come to that 15-minute time frame. If the market go to a resistance level, I'll wait for the market to like give me an M pattern. And if I see that M pattern, I'll wait for it again to give me a bearish engulfing candlestick. You understand? And whenever I see that bearish engulfing candlestick, I'll enter with full confidence. You understand? So that the market will do whatever it wants. You get? So that the market will do whatever it wants. So that the market will do whatever it wants. So if you're following this particular strategy that I'm using, whenever the market come to a support level, wait for a market to give something like this, just like this. This is the practical example of what I'm telling you guys, what I'm telling you now. Wait for the market to give you something like this. This is a W pattern. This is a W pattern. Then what do you see? After giving you a W pattern like this, the next move is straight to the upside. You understand? The next move is straight to the upside. Then if the market go to a resistance level, I no get behavior and behavior distraction. If the market go to a resistance level, what exactly do you supposed to like wait for to form before you take action? You understand? Let me go, let me, this is what you are going to see. Let me do it this way. If the market come to this particular resistance level, this pattern, you wait for the market to give you this particular pattern. Maybe as the market is like more of consolidating, it will come to this particular resistance level, give you an M pattern. You understand? An M pattern like this, confirm the M pattern with an engulfing candle around here. Then you enter for a sell down to the next support level. And whenever you enter, make sure you target 1 to 2 or 1 to 3, depending on your risk to reward. You know, everybody have different risks to reward. You understand? Everybody have a different risk to reward. So whenever the market give an M pattern like this, wait for the market to give you a bearish engulfing candle. Then you enter the market. And if you enter, where exactly are you going to see? Where exactly do you supposed to put your stop loss? If you see an engulfing candle, your stop loss, okay, this is a buy. I'm looking for a sell. Okay. If you see an engulfing candle from a resistance level, if you see an M pattern, then confirm with joining with an engulfing candle, bearish engulfing candle, you enter your trade. You understand? Then your stop loss will be below, will be above that particular support engulfing candle. You understand? Your stop loss will be below that particular bearish engulfing candle. You understand? Then you target 1 to 2. 1 to 2 always play out clean and clear. You understand? Whenever this particular strategy did not work for you, just know that maybe your risk to reward is not like accurate. You understand? Then maybe your risk to reward is not accurate. So this is what I'll be expecting. Whenever a market comes to a resistance level, I'll wait for an M pattern, then combine it with bearish engulfing candle, then I'll enter my sell position immediately, and I'll be target 1 to 2. You understand? Always target 1 to 2. Maybe when you don't go far in trading, you can just take partial profit and leave the remaining one, let it run. You understand? By then, or you just put it on break even, then you know that yes, this particular trade is a risk-free trade. If you like, let it go and hit my break even, or you understand, then you target maybe 1 to 2, 1 to 5, 1 to 10, whatever you want, and depends on how far the next support level is, because the market will work with support and resistance level, support and resistance, support and resistance, support and resistance, demand and supply, if I call it that way too. So this is what I'll be expecting. You understand? So I think you can, like what I'm teaching you, you know how to do your top down analysis now. You understand? Do it from the higher time frame, then come to the lower time frame, which is 4 hour time frame, to like mark a support and resistance level out. Then on that support and resistance level, when you mark your support and resistance level out from the 4 hour time frame, then go to 15-minute time frame, wait for your strategy to play out. You understand? Wait for your strategy to play out. Then when your strategy play out, then you enter your trade immediately. You understand? So let's go to GBP USD. Let's go to GBP USD, GBP USD, GBP USD, GBP USD. Let's go to GBP USD. Let's see what GBP USD will give us. Let's see what GBP USD will give us. Let's see what GBP USD will give us. I'm coming. Everything is trying to fight me today, but it's not going to work. It's not gonna work. It's not gonna work. I'll pass through all of them. I'm coming. Just a minute, guys. I don't know why everything is trying to fight me today, but I don't know what I do. I don't know what I do. So just a minute, guys. A minute. Let me connect this. Okay. Then before then, let me check if the sound is still working, because I don't want to be okay. The sound is still working. So if there is any question, if you have any question, please drop it on the comments. As I'm analyzing GBP, as I'm going to analyze GBP USD, let me see a question from you guys so that I'll attend to you. You understand? Let it not be as if you just come on the live video, you not get anything. No, you understand? I want to give you guys the value that you really deserve. You understand? So I'll be expecting your questions. You understand? I'll be expecting your questions. So I'll go to GBP USD. What is this? I think it's here. Yeah. Okay. But I'm even going to delete it now because I want to do a fresh analysis on it. I'm going to delete everything now. So this is a very clean chart. And I don't know how I'm going to do it, but I'll still do a confirm analysis teaching you guys how to trade this particular gap whenever a market open with gap like this. I think I'm going to do a special video about that, or maybe I'll schedule a live video, then share the live video. Maybe I'll schedule it for 3 to 4 days, then I'll be letting you guys know, then we'll all join together, then I'll break it down how to trade a gap when a market open with gap. It's not everybody that know how to do the analysis. It's not everybody that know what to do, because that particular gap, whenever you see that particular gap on the chart bar, there is a lot of manipulation that day. You understand? Even me, before I even come on that particular on a live video in the morning, that London section live video, because there is no light, I delay and the rest. I chop SL. You understand? I chop SL on GBP because there is a lot of manipulation. You understand? Before I get a clean move to the upside, and thank God I don't miss the move. You understand? I do a video about it and I post it. You understand? If you have not watched the video, you can go back to that particular video now and watch it after this particular live view. You understand? Okay. You spoke about a healthy engulfing candle. How can we identify the one that is healthy and the one that is not? Very good and clean question from you, Miss Rachel. Very clean questions from you, and I'm going to answer you ASAP before I even do anything, because you deserve that. I'm here for you and you alone. Understand? Except if any other person come and join us. I'm here for you alone. So let me answer that questions for you first before we dive into and before we do another thing. I'll answer that question for you real quick. Let me go to chat. Okay, on our chart here, I'm going to like give you an example from a higher time frame down to a lower time frame, so that you know what to do whenever you see an engulfing candle. And there's something I'm going to tell you. See, I do a short video about this particular thing I'm going to tell you. You understand? It's not every language. Don't try to learn every language on the chart. You understand? Stick to one particular thing that you know that yes, it always work on the chart. Then stick to that. Practice over and over and over and over and over again until you develop. Do you get me? Until you develop and build trust in that particular thing. You understand? Get me right, Miss Rachel. Like, make sure you study the chart to the point that yes, you know that yes, this particular thing, whenever this particular thing form, this is the direction of the market. This is the next direction. This will be the next direction of the market. Build your trust within that particular strategy. Study it over and over and over and over again until you can boldly teach people about that. You understand? This thing I'm teaching you had not started from today. You understand? It's been long that I've been studying this particular pattern till I can be able to build serious trust about it, then giving it out for you guys. You get? Let me answer you straight now, because you deserve a serious answer. You deserve a serious answer. Let me go to daily time frame. Then I'll show you what a healthy engulfing candle look like and unhealthy engulfing candle look like. Okay, this is 1 hour time frame. You understand? When you see that market is trending up, when you see that the market is trending up, let me know if you are hearing me first. Let me know if you are hearing me. Please, if you can hear me, let me see number one from you. Please, Miss Richard, if you can hear me, let me see number one from you. Having only you alone is enough for me. If you can hear me, let me see number one from you. Having only you is enough for me. Having only you is enough for me. If you can hear me, let me see number one from you. If you can hear me, let me see number one from you. If you can hear me, let me see number one from you, please, so that I'll continue. All right, that's very great. That's very, very great. So this is what I'm saying. This is daily time frame. You understand? But I'll be pointing out a healthy and I'll be first of all pointing out healthy candle, engulfing candle for you. You understand? Most especially, it happens when a market is trending to the upside. I'll give you an example when like an uptrend, a bullish engulfing, a healthy bullish engulfing candle, and a downtrend healthy bullish engulfing candle. Okay, if you look closely, this is how am I okay. This is a healthy bullish engulfing candle. This is number one. Let me carry arrow and mark it out so that you can see it very clear. This is number one bullish engulfing candlestick. This is number one. You understand? This is number one. Okay, since you see this particular bullish healthy engulfing candle, do you see that the market come down and take it out before the market is moving to the upside? No. You understand? Because this is the bullish engulfing, this is a healthy bullish engulfing candle. You understand? This is a healthy bullish engulfing candle on the daily time frame, and it's work in all the time frames. It's work in all the time frames. So let me still show you another one. I'll leave the arrow here. I'll give you another example again. This is another bullish healthy bullish engulfing candle. You understand? Since you see this particular bullish engulfing candle, healthy one, do you see that the market come down to take it out, like come down below this particular engulfing candle before the market is going up? No. You understand? No. Okay, this is another bullish healthy engulfing candle. And this is another bullish healthy engulfing candle. As you see this bullish healthy engulfing candle, do you see that the market come down to take it out before the market continue its move to the upside? No. You understand? Okay, here is another bullish engulfing candle. Healthy bullish engulfing candle. Since you see this particular bullish healthy engulfing candle, do you see that the market still come down and take it out before it's going to the upside? No. You understand? No. Okay, because the market was an uptrend. You understand? The market was an uptrend. This is another example. This is another practical example of it. And this is another pure example of it. This is a bullish engulfing this is a bullish healthy engulfing candle. You understand? Because since the market formed this particular bullish engulfing candle, there is no, like, the market not come down to take it out before it's going to the right direction again. You understand? Okay, I'll give you another example again before I'll go to bearish engulfing candlestick. You understand? This is another example. This is another example of bullish, healthy bullish engulfing candle. This is another example. Okay, whenever, let me show you, let me tell you again what bullish engulfing candle that is healthy look like. You see that the market, it will open, the market will open. This is where the market open. It creates this particular wick, go up and close healthy. This is what I call healthy, because the wick to the upside is not as long as the wick to the downside, and it engulfed this particular candlestick very, very clean. You understand? It engulfed this particular candlestick very, very clean. Do you get? This particular one here did not engulf this particular candlestick very well. As you can see the wick here, it not engulf the wick and the rest. That's the reason why you see that the market come down and take it out, you understand, before the right move to the upside. Do you get? So let me show you again here. This is another healthy engulfing candlestick. You understand? As you can see, the market open here, give a small wick, go up and engulf this particular candlestick. It engulf it completely. You understand? The body engulf this particular bearish candle completely. You understand? And since then, you do not see that the market come down to take it out. You understand? Before it's going to the upside. You get? So let me show you this one again. As you can see, the market, this particular one, it open and engulf this particular candlestick. An engulfing candle is a candlestick that open and engulf one to two, more than, like, engulf one or more candlestick. You understand? To the upside or to the downside. When it's engulfed to the upside is the bullish engulfing candle, and when it's engulfed to the downside is the bearish engulfing candle. And whenever you see a healthy bullish engulfing candle, that means the market is going crazily to the upside. All you need to target is wait for a little retracement, then you enter. Then if you enter like that, let your stop loss be below that particular bullish engulfing candle. If you enter for a buy, whenever you see a bullish engulfing candle, let your stop loss be below that particular bullish engulfing candle, because it will be very, very hard for the market to go below that particular engulfing candle. You understand? Before it take the right move to the upside. If you understand what a healthy engulfing candle look like now, let me see number one on the chart from you, please. Let me see number one on the chart. I can hear you loud and clear, sir. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. If you understand what I just explained, let me see number one from you. If you understand what I just explained, let me see number one from you. A healthy engulfing candle is a candlestick that open and engulf the last bearish candle, engulf it totally. You understand? An engulfing candle can engulf more than 2, 3, 4 candlestick. You understand? But the clean engulf, okay, that's very, very great. Means you understand. And whenever, if you go on your chart and you don't understand it the way I analyze it here, let me know again. You understand? then we'll do it together. And let me know. Make sure you come on my live or reach me on WhatsApp. Then we'll set a date or a time that we'll like do it together. Then you understand it very, very clear. So if there's any other question from you guys, let me see it on the comment section. Let me see it on the comment section. So Miss Rachel, did I answer you correctly? If I answer you correctly, let me see yes on the comments. If I answer you correctly, let me see yes on the comments. And if there is anything again you want me to talk about, drop it. I'm here for you. Where are you from? Me from Nasarawa State. You understand? I'm doing this live video from Nasarawa State, Lafia. So where are you from too? Desi Wigs. Desi Wigs. Where are you from? Where are you from? Where are you from? I would like to know where you're from. I understand very, very well. I understand very well now. I don't used to pay attention to that week before, only the body. Okay. Just pay attention to the week from India. Oh, my brother from India, you're highly welcome. I appreciate you. Thanks for coming. If there's any question, don't hesitate to like drop it here on the comment section. I appreciate your coming. So, Miss Rachel, I'm here all every time for you. Reach me on WhatsApp whenever you are confused. I'm going to like pull you through. Much love to you, there's Wiz. Much love, much love, much love. I love you. Much love from Nigeria. You understand? Me, I'm from Nigeria. I appreciate your coming. You understand? Like the video. Don't forget to subscribe so that we'll be like meeting time to time. Drop mine together. Share idea together. That's what I always open for. Like I'm always open for new idea and new like taking question from you guys, then we'll do it together. You understand? Please don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Then share it to your friends who are into trading also, so that the community will be big. I'll appreciate that a lot. I'll appreciate that a lot. Yep. Thank you very, very much. Oh, thank you, Miss Richard. Thank you, Miss Richard. I'm here for you. Thank you, Miss Richard. So any question from you guys? Any question from you guys? Any question from you guys? If there is any question, I'll be like very happy to answer you. If there is any question, I'll be very happy to answer you. I'll be waiting for your question. I'll be waiting for your question. Let me carry water. I'll be waiting for your question. All right, I'm back. I'm back. Oh, you guys still there. Thank you. How do you draw support and resistance level? Very, very, very correct question from you, my brother. Very correct question from you, my brother. I'm doing it for you now like this. All right. Let me do it for you. Very clean. Very clean. So this is it here. I'll go to the screen. I'll go to the screen. This is it. I'm going to delete all this particular drawing. Remove. Okay. On your screen bar, whenever you come on your screen, know the direction of the market from the lower time frame down to the from the higher time frame down to the lower time frame. Like me, if I come on my screen, I'll go to which particular pair am I even supposed to mark. Okay, I can even use anyone safe. I can use any pair to do this, to answer this question. I can use any pair to answer this question. So If I know the direction of the market from the daily time frame, I will go to 4-hour time frame to mark a support and a resistance level. You understand? But this is your question. You just want to know how to mark a support and a resistance level. Let me show you one major support level on GBP USD now. I'm going to show you one major support level on GBP USD. This is it here. This is it here. This is my horizontal line. Then if you look closely here, this is I'm coming. All right. Do you see where I mark this particular support level from? Do you see where I mark this particular support level from? This is a strong zone, you understand? This is one support level and it's very, very strong. I don't know if you guys are hearing me very well. If you can hear me, let me see number 1 on the chart, please. If you can hear me, let me see number 1 on the chart. Okay, you can hear me. That's very good. That's very good. That's very good. That's very good. So this is it here. I'll show you the reason why I marked that support level from that area. Yes, I can hear you. Thank you so much. So if you look closely, the market consolidates around this area before it breaks to the upside. And since as the market breaks to the upside area, this zone like this, it goes up, it bounces up, come down again, touch this particular area, means there's something here that is resisting the market, which turn it to a support level. You get? Then it goes up, gather momentum, break below the support level, then go up again. You understand? Come all the way to this place and tap on this particular support level again, go up, come tap on the support level. This makes this particular area a very strong support level. You understand? This is one strong support level that you need to see, that you need to know on the chart. Then I'm going to like mark another support level. This is another, there's another support this is another resistance level here. There's a resistance level here. And there's a resistance level at this area. And this is a resistance level. Okay, this is a resistance level. And whenever, let me expand this particular one so that they will. This is a support level. This is a resistance level. You understand? Whenever market come to this particular resistance level, there must be a reaction. And don't forget, this is a higher time frame. This is daily time frame. You understand? This is daily time frame. And let me mark another resistance level out at the top here. And this is another resistance level. This is another resistance level. So if you switch down to your lower time frame, which is 4-hour time frame, before me personally, I use like if I see the direction of the market from the higher time frame, like daily time frame, I'll go to 4-hour time frame to mark my support and the resistance level out. You understand? Then I'll go to the smaller time frame, like 15-minute time frame, to wait for my strategy to play out. That is what I always do. You understand? But I don't know the type of trader that you are. I don't know if you are a swing trader, a day trader, or a scalper. You understand? As a scalper, as a day trader, you need to like do your analysis. Like a day trader, you need to do your analysis from the daily time frame, know the direction of the market from the daily time frame, then go to 4-hour time frame, mark your support and resistance level from the 4-hour time frame, then switch down to 15-minute time frame. Then you like wait for your pattern to form. You understand? Wait for the market to come to the support level or a resistance level, then wait for your pattern to form from that particular area, then you enter your trade. You understand? That's what me I do. You get? That's what me I do. Then I'll go to 4-hour time frame now. Let's see if this particular support and resistance level that we mark from the daily time frame is correspond with what we'll see on 4-hour time frame. You understand? Okay, this is 4-hour time frame. This is 4-hour time frame. On the 4-hour time frame, as you can see, the market, like the support level and the resistance level that will mark correspond with the one will mark from the daily time frame. This is the support and resistance level that will mark from the daily time frame. You understand? And it corresponds with the 4-hour time frame. Means it's very, very valid and it's very, very correct. You understand? So whenever the market comes to this particular resistance level, there must be a reaction. Even if it will break to the upside, there must be a reaction. You understand? So this is how I mark my support and resistance level, and it's very, very accurate. And whenever a market comes to a support level or a resistance level, anywhere I mark a support and resistance level, whenever markets come to that particular place, there must be a reaction. There is no way that the market will not react to my support and resistance level. You understand? And that is what I always use to take my trade. You understand? So this is how I mark out a support and a resistance level. You understand? So if I mark it out like this and it corresponds with the one I mark from the daily time frame, what I will do as a day trader, I'll go to the lower time frame, which is 15-minute time frame. Then I'll be waiting for the market to come to that particular support and the resistance level. You understand? I'll be waiting for the market to come to that particular support and the resistance level. I don't know if what I'm doing on the screen here makes sense to you. Let me see if what I'm doing makes sense to you. Then let me see a response from you. Buyer will push it up. Yep. So let me see. So 4-hour time frame to mark the level and 5-minute time frame monitor the candlestick. Okay, I don't know the one that I don't know how your trading model like is. I'm just explaining from my own, from what I always use. You understand? From what I always use, I will, just as I explained for you, I'll go to the higher time frame, which is daily time frame. I'll know the direction of the market from the daily time frame. Then I'll switch down to 15-minute time frame. Then from the 15-minute time frame, I'll switch down to 4-hour time frame. From the 4-hour time frame, I'll mark a support and a resistance level from the 4-hour time frame. Then I'll go to 15-minute time frame, waiting for my, okay, you get me right. That's very great. Then I'll go to 15-minute time frame, waiting for my strategy to play out. And what is my strategy? I cannot hide it from any of you guys. Great method. So thank you so much. I cannot hide it from any of you guys. My strategy is I'll wait for the market to come to my support and resistance level. Like I'll wait for the market to come to that particular support level. Then I'll wait, like I'll be looking for a W pattern from a support level, then combine it with an engulfing candle. You understand? When I see a W pattern from a support level, I'll wait for a bullish engulfing candle from that particular area. Then I'll enter for a sell. Not that the market will come to that particular support level, then I'll just enter straight for a sell, for a buy. No, I'll wait for the market to give me a W pattern. You understand? Means the market is trying to reverse to the upside. Then I will like wait again for the market to give me a bullish engulfing candle. And whenever I see that bullish engulfing candle, that one give me more courage to enter for a buy. You understand? And same thing happens from a resistance level. You understand? Whenever I see an end pattern from a resistance level, I wait for the market to like give me a bearish engulfing candle, then I will enter for a sell. You understand? So that's what I always do. So is there any other questions from you or from any other person? If there's any other question, then we'll brush through it. You understand? I would like to take more questions from you guys. Then we'll call it a day. You understand? I would like to take more questions from you guys. Is there any question? Is there any question? Hey, my brother, I personally use price action plus support and resistance level. That is what I use. Me and you means we are trading the same thing. We are using the same strategy. You understand? I don't use indicator. I don't use anything like all these Fibonacci and the rest. I don't use any of them. What I use is a pure naked chart. That is what I use. Pure naked chart. Price action, support and resistance level. That is just all. I'll just wait for the market to come to my support level, give me what I want, I'll see the action, see my pattern from that particular support level, then I'll enter for a buy. Then I'll wait for the market to go to a resistance level, see my pattern from a resistance level, then I'll enter for a sell. Simple as that, and it's been making me profitable for the longest time now. You understand? If you even check the last video that I post this evening, you'll see the trade that I take today. You understand? While I'm on a live video during the London section. You understand? I do live video every London section. You understand? I'm a student. I don't have much money to trade in a huge amount. I just do paper trading for the time being. Yes, you understand. You don't even need to rush yourself, my brother. You understand? Since you are a student, what you are doing is very, very good. Make sure you understand how the markets work. You understand? Make sure you understand how the markets work, so that whenever you settle down or you have a job doing, you can fund your accounts. By then you know what you are doing on the chart already. You understand? By then you will not even be like wasting money up and down again, because now that you don't have money, you are using paper money, like demo account, to like practice and study your strategy very well. You get? So it's very, very good. That's your approach to forex trading, is very, very okay, and I appreciate that. Thank you so much. Thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you, my brother. Is there any question from you or from any other person? I'll be like, I'll be waiting for questions from you guys, so that we'll do it together. Like, I I really, really thank God that you guys are getting what I'm saying. I thank God you guys are getting what I'm saying. So I'll be like waiting for questions from you guys, so that we'll discuss together. My own live video is not to come and show you anything anyhow. I'll be like asking you, so that we'll rub mind together, because trading is not just for only one person. Join with traders who like join with traders, then you guys will like solve your problem, voice out, you understand what you're passing through, then you have a words of encouragement from other traders. So I'll be like waiting for you guys to like give me more questions, then we'll like do it together. You understand? That will give me more joy. That will give me more joy. That will give me more joy. So I'll be waiting for a question from you guys. Or if you are just joining us, please like the video, share it to anybody you know that would like this type of content. Then what I would like to tell you guys is I do live video every London section. You understand? I do live video every London section. Share my view. You understand? What I'm looking out for on during London section. You understand? Then we'll discuss during London section in the evening, 8 p.m. in the evening. I'll come on my screen here, take a question from you guys, then we'll rub mine together. If there's anything you are passing through, if there's anything you want me to discuss for you, if there's anything you want me to analyze for you, then we'll do it together. Take question from you guys, then we'll do it together. 8 a.m. GMT plus 1, 8 p.m. GMT plus 1. That's when I go live. You understand? That's when I go live. So I'll be expecting more questions from you guys. I'll be expecting more questions from you guys. You understand? Then again, I need a question from you guys. I need a question from you guys. And if there is no question from you guys, I'll be taking time to see a question from you guys. Then let me go to this screen. Let me go to the chat. Then show you guys what inducement means. You understand? Because you need to know about market structure. You understand market structure. If you understand market structure and you understand risk management, means you are good to go. You understand market structure and risk management, and you are good to go. So I'll go to my screen now to do analysis, show you guys what market structure is, then show you guys what inducement is. You understand, on the chart. So I'm going to my screen now to show you guys what market structure look like. Thank you, my bro. Let me do this. Where is my gear? The Miss Rachel. Miss Rachel, I don't know if you are still active. I don't know if Miss Rachel is still active. Maybe she's tired. I don't know. Maybe she's tired. So I'll be expecting a question from you guys. I'll be expecting a question from you guys. I'll be expecting a question from you guys. I will be expecting a question from you guys. You get, I'll be expecting a question from you guys. I'd love to take question from you. I'd love to take question from you. Oh, you're acting. Always active, man. I love your energy. Always active, always active. Tired care. You're not tired, my dear. Always active. I'll be expecting a question from you guys. 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 But before then, let me go to the hi. Adibin, I get a question from you guys, then we'll talk about that particular one. I'll be like that will give me more joy than to bring out my own this thing question. That will give me more joy. That will give me more joy. That will give me more joy. All right, then let me show you what inducement look like on the chart. Inducement and stop loss hunt. Let me show you what they always do. You understand? Let me show you what they always do. What market makers always do on the chart now like this. Okay, I'm going to like clear all this one. What are you not working? All right. Then you so if like what markets this thing market structure and inducements in the market, you understand what is inducement? Whenever they say inducement in the market, what is that? What is that inducement is all about? What is inducement is all about? Let me give you guys a practical example of inducements in the market. So let's say market is trending down, you understand? Market is giving a lower low, lower low, lower high, lower low, lower high, lower low, lower high. Then and the market want to like change a direction to the upside. You understand? Do you know what the market will do? It will come down, you understand? Make a double bottom. Make a double bottom, then go up. You understand? It will go up like this, then come down. Something from this particular from here like this, since the market break structure here, because if the market is trending down and it's break structure to the upside like this, what people will be expecting is to take a buy from this particular area, you understand, thinking the market will go to the upside, you understand, ba? I'm explaining what inducement is all about for you guys now. They will be expecting the market to do something like this, because if the market come to this particular support level, this resistance level before that turn support level, it will do something like do a like do more like a consolidation, you understand? Do more like a consolidation, go up. Do you know what the market will do? It will break below this particular support level, you understand? Because by this time people will like take more order, buy from this particular support level, this resistance level that automatically turn to a support level. People will buy from here, thinking the market will move from this particular area, thinking the market will move from this particular area to the upside, not knowing that the market is trying to gather more liquidity. So it creates an inducement here, move to the upside, give you more hopeness. It will break below this particular support level to the downside. You understand? Before you see a spike to the upside, then the move it will take to the upside now will come be very, very more aggressive. You understand? It will come be like very, very more aggressive to the upside. So this consolidation that you always see before the major support level is what they call inducement, and that is a stop loss hunt. That is a stop loss hunt. So whenever a market is approaching a support level and you are seeing an inducement and you are seeing a consolidation, just know very, very well that the market is looking for more liquidity that will push it to the upside. You understand? Just know quite all right that the market is looking for more liquidities, making people to buy from this particular support level, then it will sweep them out. Because tell me, if market is consolidating from this particular support level like this, what exactly are you going to do? You like try to buy from this support level. You buy from the support level, and where are you going to put your stop loss? Below this particular support level. You put your stop loss below the support level. You understand? Something like this, then waiting for the market to go up to create another higher high. This is what the market will do. It will break down, you understand, take out all the liquidity here, sweep everybody out. Then the move it to take from this particular major support level, you understand, or maybe there will be a fair value gap here as the market is moving to the upside. Maybe you see a bullish engulfing candle from a 15-minute time frame. Then on the lower time frame, like 5-minute time frame, there will be a fair value gap here. You understand? The market will like consolidate around this area, break below, sweep everybody out here, then tap on the fair value gap before you see a spike to the upside. Like this thing always happen on the chart, except if you don't notice it. This thing always happen on the chart, except if you don't notice it. You understand? So this is a practical example of what liquidity inducement is all about on the chart. You get? This is a practical example of what liquidity is all about on the chart. Do you guys get? If you understand what I just do on the chart, or if you hear what I just do on the chart, let me see number one from you guys. If you understand what I do on the chart, let me see number one from you. Or if there is any question you want me to, if there is anything you want me to talk about, let me see number one on the chart. It's because I don't have any question from you guys. That's the reason why I'm showing you guys what inducements look like on the charts. You understand? And it's work like it's always happen. That is a stop loss hunt. And there are more examples of stop loss hunt on the charts. You understand? Maybe you see a market is on a okay, means you guys are getting me. So stop loss hunt, right? How stop loss hunts work is that maybe market will be on its resistance level, and you think that yes, market have formed everything that you are looking for. Then all of a sudden, maybe you enter a trade, then all of a sudden you see a spike to the upside, then come back again immediately. A spike, that will be a week. So the market is not going to close above that resistance level. It will just spike up, clear everybody that take a sell from that resistance level before you see a push to the downside. That is also an inducement, and it's called a stop loss hunt. That is a stop loss hunt also. So you need to like know all those things, combine them together, so that whenever you come on your chart, you'll not be doing mistake, and you not be a liquidity to the market. You understand? So that the market will not turn you to a liquidity. There are a lot of things you need to learn on the chart. So all these languages that they call SMC, SMC, ICT, and the rest, it don't really matter. All you need to know is stick to one particular strategy that you know that yes, whenever this particular thing form on the chart, this is the next direction of the chart. You understand? Just stick to that and move on. You understand? Stick to that. Make sure you study that every day and night, until you build confidence around that. Me, as I dey like this, I don't know much. I don't know all the language in the market, you understand? But my own strategy, I build a strong belief on my strategy because I've been studying it for the longest now, for a while now, you understand? For over a year plus now, you understand? So stick to one particular thing that you know that it's always work on the chart, then you stick to that. Make sure build trust in that particular strategy, then you're good to go. So any question from you guys? uh any question from you guys? If there's any question, if there's anything you are confused about what you have been saying, let me know, so that we'll brush through that, If there's anything you want me to talk about again, let me know. If there's anything you want me to talk about again, let me know. Then don't forget to be on our London section analysis tomorrow. By God grace, we are going to make profits. You understand? You know, we cannot do it by ourselves, but by God grace, inshallah, we are going to make profits. Inshallah, we are going to make profits tomorrow also as well. Just the way we make profit today. Today trade do not like give you guarantee that tomorrow is going to be profitable also, but I'm going to like no question for now. That's very good. So then we'll call it a day then. I appreciate your time. Everybody that come on this particular live video, especially Miss Rachel Jonathan. I appreciate your time. Good. I really, really appreciate your time. And I hope to see you tomorrow morning by 8 a.m. so that we'll trade together. You understand? So that we'll trade together. See how I analyze my charts during London section. Then we'll trade together. So we'll call it a day. And I see you tomorrow by 8 a.m. GMT Nigeria time. So bye for now. I love you all. Bye for now and have a good night rest. Love you. Bye.